Hello and welcome to the video tutorial about how to use the Ally Instructor Feedback Panel for What You See is What You Get or WYSIWYG content. In your Brew and Learn course, whenever you click Edit to modify a page, discussion, quiz, assignment, or announcement using the Rich Content Editor, you'll see the Ally Accessibility Score meter in the upper right-hand corner. This meter shows how accessible your HTML content is and checks for common issues such as text with low contrast, images missing alternative text or alt text, YouTube and Canvas media embeds without captions or with only machine-generated captions, and other accessibility concerns such as header structure. To get started, find any Brew and Learn page with HTML content like embedded images, headings, or embedded tables, and click Edit. The score meter will display the overall accessibility score for the page. Click on the Accessibility Score Meter to open up the Instructor Feedback Panel. Ally will highlight the first issue found on the page. To view all issues at once, click the All Issues button. Then select an issue to begin making improvements. In this example, Ally has flagged an image that lacks alternative text or alt text. Ally provides a short explanation of the issue along with a What This Means button you can click on to learn more about what image descriptions are and why they are important. You can manually add an image description in the text field, or you also have the option to use Ally's AI feature to auto-generate a description for the image. If you use the AI auto-generate description option, make sure to review the description for accuracy. Once you save the alt text description, the Ally Accessibility Score Meter will update to display a new and improved score. Continue reviewing each issue on the page. When all issues have been addressed, your accessibility score will improve, and so will the experience for all of your students. If you need help with the instructor feedback for WYSIWYG content, please contact the Brew and Learn Center of Excellence at brewandlearn-support@it.ucla.edu. Thank you.